So hey everyone, and welcome back to another new video. And in this video today I will be unboxing these 1/43 scale diecast model of the Bentley Continental GT by Welly, and I bought these models from an Instagram page called Life 1 and Scale. And these models are value for money because they are great in terms of quality and detailing, and these models are really recommended from my side. And if you want to buy it, you can contact them. And you can also follow me on Instagram on _RPM_Redlines for daily updates. And let's continue with the cinematic video. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye bye. Take care.